This place is really cool. We have the cable cars there. Whoever's taking the cable cars is already going back. Okay, we have a waterfall. We have a waterfall here. Oh, actually they're constructing some other places here. If you guys remember, I showed you the place where they're trying to put some nets, and this is the place. The mountains here are very steep, man. Look at those rocks inside there. Jeez. So they're constructing some stuff here. Ni hao. Ni hao. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is really. Ni hao. Ni hao. Look at that. This is beautiful, bro. Wow. Look at this. Now look at this. Now look at this. Yeah, I told you guys, like, this whole canyon was formed from these rivers, right? Another thing, you can also climb. I think people like climbing. There's also an option for you. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna climb anytime soon. Bro, no way, I'm not gonna go there. I don't even want to look down. I don't want to look down. Jesus Christ, man. This place is steep. That's down like in the rocks, bro. Look at that there. No way I'm going there. No way. No way. Nah. And another thing, bro, just be careful with your phone, because these rails are a little bit big enough for your phone to fall in, but not big enough for you to fall in, sir. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Okay. This looks like it would really look good if there was water basically on all these colorful places. And yeah, that's the waterfall. Oh my God. Wow, so this is, if you want to climb, you can just climb on this place, but the rocks are also wet, maybe from the water. There has to be some water up there too. You know, we have some flowers here. This is really good, man. Very productive Thursday morning. We're now around like 12, maybe 30 or something. Yeah, I feel like if you just come and don't take any videos and you're not delaying, you can basically go up this mountain for less than even an hour. But if you're just walking around, chilling, yeah, an hour and a half. An hour and a half, we're still going. We just arrived at the cable car station. Look at this. Looks pretty cool, right? Yeah, so a round trip is 100 RMB. So basically like $13 or something. Yeah, this is the cable car. But I think only 2 people can go in this cable car. These mountains are steep. Like, when I say steep, I mean like seriously steep. I just realized that I went the longest route, but there's no problem. Like, it's actually good that I went the longest route because I got to see so many other places. Now, this is the thing, right? If you take the cable car, you don't get to see many places inside this park, like this really cool place. This is what I realized. So I came from right there, the entrance, and there's a way that goes straight up until the platform, or you can use the cable cars. So what I did is I went from the entrance, came all the way down until right there at the Jiutian waterfall. Okay, then I came up here. This is another way for the cable cars to go straight to the viewing platform. Now I have to take this route. I'm right here. You guys can see the location icon. I'm gonna take 168 steps down, which is basically this place. Then I go down, down, down until I come back on that intersection between this off-road and the stairs that take me back to the platform. Oh my God, bro. It's gonna take me like another, maybe like another 40 minutes. So it's good to make mistakes, because actually this wasn't a bad mistake because I'm having fun, right? But if you come here just to go to the platform and you don't want to like take this long route, then you need to use the stairs. And at the ticket office, you need to ask them so that they direct you to the place that actually gets you there quicker. That up there is the glass bridge. So yeah, I'm gonna take these stairs here. I think now from here to the glass bridge is just gonna take me about maybe like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So guys, if you want the location of this place, I'm gonna put it down in the description. This is the view from the top, and because it's pretty much steep, you guys can see there are like places where people live and stuff. We have a reservoir. Is it a lake? Is it a reservoir down there? Because when we were coming, we saw a hydroelectric power dam, a pretty small one. So yeah, there's so many resting places when you're going up here, just like this one. You can sit and have some snacks. Okay, we have another entrance here. There's so many places where you can also put your litter and like basically garbage. Don't just throw it in the forest for convenience. Just wait and find a place to put it. This is also an emergency shelter. Guys, the mountains here are so steep. Look at the stairs here. You know, pretty crazy. And just for your safety, climbing steep places, then don't just take videos, because it's very dangerous, guys, for real. It's very steep, and if all you're focused on is making a video, then, you know, if you're not lucky, you might have a really bad accident. If you miss a step, then it's so bad. Okay, so if you're not so confident enough to do that, just don't. You can stop once in a while and just take some videos, you know. Wow, I'm really breathing heavily, bro. This is a reminder that I need to take my gym sessions very seriously. Look at this. Look at the mountains. Pretty cool. Wow. 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 Look at that. Guys, go and watch the first video, right? And you'll see way crazier parts of this whole tour. We have another resting area. As I told you guys, this steep slope is pretty tiring. My goodness, even standing here is already making me feel scared. God, yeah, but anyway, you guys can see all of those mountains there. On the first video, the place that I took, the mountains were steep, but they have a pathway or like a road in between that's not very steep. Only like maybe 2 places were steep, but the rest were not. But that's the longer route. The shorter route is very, very steep. Hello. Yeah. The shorter route is very steep, but the longer one is not. How are you? Okay. My God. Whoa. So these are the cable cars. They're actually pretty small. Maybe like 1 person or 2 people can go in these cable cars. I think not more than 2 people actually. And these are our stairs here. This is the station for the cable cars. You guys can see them here, and you just get on and off from there. This place is very steep, and look at the rocks here. This is crazy, guys. And look at how steep this place is. It's just like climbing a wall. This place, wow. If you're scared of heights, then I don't know if this is the best place for you, because it's very steep. And when I'm talking about steep, I mean like really steep. Like, my goodness, bro. This, wow. I don't think I can ever come back, bro. Yeah, it's a nice place for sure, but no. I feel like it's pretty scary, you know? Wow. If you guys are like adrenaline junkies or something, then this is a good place for you for sure. And there's so many stops in between. Because, man, this is a real journey for sure. My God. There's a board under there. Maybe it fell inside or something. Yo, that's even more scary. Look at that. That just goes down, down, down. This is like a Grand Canyon. Oh my God. Wow. Bro, if you know how slow I'm going, you can basically laugh so hard. I'm moving very slow. This is no problem. Like, this isn't scary. The stairs that have stones and like cement are fine for me, but the ones with wood and metal, yeah, those ones are making me kind of like, you know, rethink about my decision of coming. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. But you know, the place is safe. The place is safe as long as you follow the directions and the safety signs, then it's pretty good. I'm like sweating, bro. Really sweating here. Damn. Okay, so we're just arriving at another stop that looks like a mushroom. All right, I think we've arrived at the platform. There's another mushroom that I saw. Okay, so this is called the mushroom pavilion. It got its name from its unique shape and style, which is like a mushroom. Okay, but this is not a rock. All right. Oh my God. This is what the mushroom pavilion looks like. So when you arrive here, you've basically arrived. Yeah, you can pass through these rocks, and of course that's where I'm gonna pass, because I don't like the metal areas. So yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. That's like a reservoir, or like a lake or something, and yeah, that's where we're going, guys. Okay. This place, entering is 68 RMB, but at the ticket office they told me that I have to pay like 20 more RMB. 20 RMB is like maybe $2.50. They told me I need to pay that to get on the platform. Yeah. Oh my god. So pretty much that's for now, and I'll catch you guys up there. Finally, we have arrived. Look at that. That's the place that we are coming at. Oh my goodness, guys, this has been a journey, just from down there all the way here. Oh my god. Guys, wow. There's still some construction going on. I don't know what it's about, but let me pass by here. I've seen these flowers many places here. That's our direction post there. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys. Wow. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Look at this. This is really strong, but it's like a suspension in the air, guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay. So, my goodness. Viewing platform entrance. Okay, let me get there. Oh, this looks like a nice place. Looks pretty cool. Let me show you guys around. Looks pretty cool. Okay, there's some statues up here and like some trees and stuff. This is for viewing the mountains, but the thing with this is you have to scan these QR codes and then you pay something, and that's how you can use these binoculars. Basically, this is a solar panel that basically powers them. But yeah, you guys get the whole deal, right? Wow. You know, you can even buy some stuff here. What can I buy? Okay, I think I'll get something later when I'm coming. And let me see this here. Oh, you can use this to make some music. They all have like different sounds. Yeah, you have biscuits and juice and everything here. Yeah, so you can basically get anything and everything you want. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna pay. So I'm gonna pay 20 and then I go on the glass bridge. Let's go.